You and me used to be together, every day together, always. I really feel that I'm losing my best friend. I can't believe this could be the end. You look stuff you're letting go. And if it's real, well, I don't want to know. Don't speak, I know just what you're saying. So please stop explaining. Don't tell because it hurts. It's all ending. Why gotta stop pretending who we are? Who we are? Don't speak. I know what you're saying. So please stop explaining. Don't tell because it hurts. Oh yeah. Don't speak. I know what you're thinking, and I don't need your reasons. Don't tell because it hurts. Don't tell because it hurts.